Hi, it's Kieran here from Flax.ie, and today I'm going to be giving you a look at the aPad, a new Android tablet that I've got. I got it from Amazon, and I'm quite pleased with it now. Actually, it's quite a nice device. Okay, first I'm just going to show you the external features. We've got the micro USB, two of those ports, and it gives you one converter for micro USB to standard USB. We also have our standard 3.5 headphone jack here, charger, we have the mic, small little mic here, a micro USB or micro SD card slot. Doesn't come with a micro SD card, so you have to get your own, which are very cheap. And it has a 1.3 megapixel webcam built in. And on the other side of the device there are some not so great speakers, but the audio that comes out of the headphone jack is crystal clear, which is very nice. So yeah, it has an aluminium finish, very thin device. Very iPad. Again, with the one home button down here. It has two buttons on the top, a home button and a menu button. Right, so I'm just going to boot this up. It's the switch here on the side here is on, and I just hold on this, and hopefully we'll see Tux, the Linux mascot, up here. And we have up here at the top, the left hand corner. Now, while this boots up, I'm going to show you what else I got with the device. It doesn't take too long to boot up, but you know, it's not the fastest either. Okay, well, there's the box, and it has Android on the side of it and all that sort of stuff. Right, a nice little anti-static sheet for wiping it down. Very handy. Charger, extremely handy. This is required. Now, I had a little bit of a problem with this. As you can see, it's a Chinese connection, and I got what seemed to be it's just booted up. There you go. I'll tell you what sort of time it takes to boot up. I got something like this with the device, but it didn't seem to actually work. That didn't actually seem to plug into it. So I bought this in a local electronics store for about €2 or €3. It's grand. Now the micro USB to standard USB, very handy. Again, came with the device. I would have liked if there was two, but you know, it's all good. The headphone jacks, or the headphones, should I say, very nice pair of headphones actually, good quality out of them. And then we have our standard USB cable for connecting it to your computer. And one surprise thing that I didn't think I was going to get is this nice little carry bag. This carry bag is of, I'm not really sure the material, it's sort of like velvet almost. It's quite nice, it's very handy, stops it from getting scratched, beautiful. Okay, now let's show you the actual interface of the device. Now again, it's a standard Android system. It's Android 1.5. By the way, just for any more specs or anything like that you want to know about, they're all in the review at Flax.ie. Okay, now, there we go, okay. Now, I already have this set up for my Wi-Fi, so yeah, I just go into the browser here. The device is relatively fast. It has a dual core in it, which I thought was quite cool. Okay, we'll just type in Flax project. And as you can see here, the keyboard, it's relatively responsive. Like it's quite good. Like you know, there has been a lot of negativity towards the actual standard keyboard, and there has been a lot of applications made to get a more extended keyboard. But I think it's fine now. As you can see, here we are on Flax.ie, and scrolling down the page, and as you can see, it's very smooth. Now obviously it's not as smooth as an iPad, the scrolling, or just the touchscreen technology really, but I think that's fine for the price. I got this for €170 off Amazon, and that includes delivery, so I think that's much better than paying about €400-500 for an iPad. Okay, oh yeah, there's multiple windows, very handy for browsing. It's quite a good browser actually. Of course you can put any other browser you want on it. It's just a standard throwaway browser or whatever. It has the market on it. A lot of people were concerned that these devices didn't have access to the market, and what good is an Android device if you can't access its apps? But this one can, and I've just been messing around installing a few. I haven't really got into it. I just reading some PDFs off it and stuff, browsing a bit of web. Nothing major. That's the main reason I bought this device, because just for reading blogs and PDFs, and just a portable means of accessing the internet really. Now I'll show you the camera on it actually. Camera, and there we go. Oh god, no, there's me. Jesus. Okay, let's not go there right now. Stop. There we go. Yeah, Google Talk, it's a nice little app. The Flax project is online, and if we type in something here, say hey, it should come up on my computer instantly, and it has, and I'll say something back. Very nice. That's about it really. Not much more I can show you with that. There's multiple desktops where you can put different widgets out. That's pretty cool. You've got a little music player. Don't know if you can even hear that. That's just a sort of some sample music that came on the device. Don't know what that is, but yeah. I've got my Google Calendar widget, my time widget. I'm pretty sure I can just drag them. Okay. Oh yes. Drag them wherever I want. So yeah. Oh yes, the aPad app. This app is purely for aesthetics, and is basically just an iPad ripoff. You'll see why in a second. It's quite slow actually, this particular app, but yes, if that doesn't look like an iPad, I don't know what does. And they've done it quite nicely, I must say, but again, for the average user, it doesn't really matter. So that's about it. If you have any questions, if you'd like me to, you know, demo other things on it, just let me know, and just drop me an email, comment on the video, comment on the blog, whatever you want. Alright, thanks.